always say that if we can't agree on healthy, local, and seasonal food, then we really can't agree on anything. And so just the importance of this event, being able to bring people together to network, enjoy seasonal local food together, and to be able to share our resources, insight, and information is just such a pivotal part of what we do in Tennessee.
I always make new friends and create new relationships that are going to help me with work and with food in Tennessee. So yes, that's one of the best reasons to come.
Made a relationship with Ujama Seeds just by having a conversation. That was absolutely amazing because that's another form of revenue.
I'm leaving with some goals or some plans or ideas in mind, so I'm excited to execute that.
So it's inspiring to me to know that I can farm and it is profitable personally and from a business standpoint.